Hey everyone, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I have on my faux diamonds today because we are going to be talking about diamond painting. So I was finally able to find some of the newer Dollar Tree diamond painting items that I've been seeing across YouTube. Usually North Carolina gets the newer diamond painting kits last. I wanted to show you guys just in case you guys hadn't seen them yet, or just to remind you to be out on the lookout for these. These are only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. No matter where you purchase diamond painting kits, whether it's Five Below, Temu, Amazon, you cannot find a diamond painting kit cheaper than Dollar Tree. And it's the entire kit that it comes with. It's the boat, the stylus, and the drills and keychain materials, if it's a keychain. So I cannot stress enough that diamond painting never has to be expensive. Crafting never has to be expensive. I mean, you're not going to get cheaper than this. Ollie's isn't even this cheap unless we go down to 50 cents for diamond painting kits. So I really champion these kits, especially in the times that we're in right now where every dollar counts. And I am not a Dollar Tree fan like I used to be because of how they have changed their prices, but you will still not get a kit like this for $1.25 anywhere. And these are really, really good kits. I've actually done an entire coaster kit. I've done multiple keychains from Dollar Tree. Go on over to my playlists, look for Diamond Painting Diaries, and you can see my diamond painting journey. This kit includes one wooden shape, one diamond painting sticker, one metal chain, one gem pin, and one square pin glue, one tray, and only 5 gem packets. If you've been watching me for any amount of time on this channel, you know how I love small diamond painting kits. This is the type of kits I like to do when I'm on lunch at work, or just to ease my mind for a quick pick-me-up. Okay, so this is the sticker and this is the wooden piece. We've seen this before with the diamond painting kits. I've done a couple of these before. And this is the bow. So when you finish the diamond painting, you can stick it on the wooden kit here and then keychain the bow with this. I love this keychain. These things are always hard to get on though. I'm gonna have to get out my tools next time I do this, my jewelry tools, so I don't get frustrated. But it also comes with the standard boat and wax. This is gonna be all you need. And then you have only 5 colors. These are beautiful blues. Numbers 1 through 5 match numbers 1 through 5 that are on the canvas here. And as you can see, the field is super clear. This is only going to take you less than 30 minutes. So, well, I always say at least a minimum of 30 minutes if you're taking your time, standing up, taking a break. I just always say 30 minutes for the least amount of time. So that's the bow. Okay, I was looking for that one. I finally found that one. I saw someone haul the pizza and the donut. And so, of course, I was on the lookout for these. I've seen these across multiple shorts. The donut and the pizza. So you have the same thing, the drill and the keychain. The drills and the keychain and the boat, the stylus. So these are also stickers that you put on the wooden piece here, and then you can keychain them. Only $1.25. I love this donut. Look at the colors. Only 7 gem packets in here and 6 gem packets in here. So not even 10 colors. Easy peasy. Look at how clear that drill field is, just even looking at it in the plastic. So look out for those. I did pick up some brushes. This is not a diamond painting, but I picked up these metal brushes. It was my first time seeing these at my particular Dollar Tree. And I think these are going to be perfect for if you spill some gems, you need to like brush them into the tray. So I'm going to have these handy in my little swirly container that stays near me when I diamond paint. And then I finally found this one. So I already have the beach scene. I already have the lily pad. I was looking for the one with the yellow. I thought these were lemons, but they are flowers in a teacup. So I was looking for this one, and I was looking for this one. There was only one of these left in my local Dollar Tree. I finally found the last 2. And again, I already have the beach scene with the beach chairs, and I already have the lily pad. So these were the two that I was missing. So we're going to open one of these just because they're a little bit different. These are larger canvases, and they're full canvas, as you can see. It's a full canvas. And I keep my packaging because I'm planning to make a logbook of all my finished projects with dates. This is a full canvas. This is going to be perfect for a journal. So sticky, not the stickiest. This could use some extra stickiness on that one. And then these are the drill packets. These are very pretty, summery, springy colors. They're gonna look fantastic. Looks like we got only 1 through 7, which is perfect for me, absolutely perfect for me. And then you have the boat and the tray. And y'all, all of these diamond painting kits, these full kits, I didn't even spend $10. I didn't even spend $10. I'm really excited to do this one. I think this is my first bumblebee diamond painting picture. So this is going to be really pretty. There was only one of these. These are getting sold out the quickest. So this is my quick diamond painting kit haul from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you found these yet. I hope you find these if you haven't. They're only $1.25. This is the perfect way to try diamond painting for the first time. When I tried it for the first time, I used a Dollar Tree kit to see if I would even like it. And I've been on a roll ever since. So use Dollar Tree to be your tester for certain crafts. They also have, you know, crocheting, knitting. They have paint by numbers now. They have color by numbers. So go in there if you're wanting to try a particular craft and you don't want to spend Michael's money. Go into Dollar Tree and test it out first. That's my best advice I could give anyone who is new in crafting, like I am. I'm new to like all crafting, paper crafting, you know, color, paint by number. These are all things I really just started last year when I started my Ollie's hopping journey. And diamond painting has become my favorite craft though. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what which canvas is your favorite. I can't wait to do these small ones. I love these small ones. And go ahead and put some bumblebees in the comments if you made it to the end of the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.